Alright, so let me show you these little snacks real quick. These are quickly becoming my favorite things because they give you all these toppings to go with it. So I got these green leaves, I'm not even sure what they are. I got some chili peppers, and they give you these onions. So stack them all up on there, one big pile of goodness on top of friedness. That is so good. And now I'm doing a lot of tension here on the side of the road. And I'm making a mess. And the other ones are filled with red hot sauce in there, like a samba. I still like to put a little onion on it. Take a bite of the chili. Oh, that is so good. So yeah. We got 2 bananas, 10 of the little treats, 7 of the big treats, and a fresh king coconut. Oh, to wash it all down. That is a roadside snack. However, traffic is picking up here, so I think I'm gonna head on out.